Well, it's my vacation, so I had plenty of time to do my hair finally. Every year, I get vacation, and I finally got, I've been given 2 week vacation because I've been there 3 years, and when 3 years hit, I got 2 weeks. And it'll be 4 years, I think it's still 2 weeks. And then when you're there 5 years, you get 3 weeks vacation, paid vacation. So, yay! I did promise you when I received my second box from eBay, my lens and my cameras, vintage and all that, that I was gonna open them up with you, and I will. So I received my second box yesterday, and I had the other one for about a week. Let's get the trusty knife out. I had an old timer knife just for today. But of course we won't use that one because it's super tiny. But isn't it just neat? Let me see that. It's just neat. It's an old timer. Old timer knife. A little rusty. But we use this one. We use this knife. Ugh. So, here are the boxes, and they're pretty heavy. Unopened, like I promised. Unopened boxes. I'm going to show you the eBay that I won. I'm going to show you what they say is in it. Okay, let's go look. So here's one of the listings for the vintage 35mm camera lot, Vivitar lens, and Canon. I won it for $40. There were three bidders. So here's some pictures. I will show you. There. I have no idea what this is right here. See that? The long one? It doesn't even say, so I don't know. Right here is what she says. Camera accessories. Inherited these from Uncle. I don't know much about them. Used the Canon years ago for beginning photography class and it worked fine. Vivitar flash and had battery corrosion. No international shipping. So let's go to the other one. Here it is. Winning bid, $9.99. So here's a close-up of some of the items here. So pretty neat, huh? So we're gonna go look at that right now. And here is what it says right here. Cosmetic wear. Fully operational and functions as intended. Be a floor model or store return that has been used. So there. I think it's going to be exciting. Let's go ahead and get them opened right now so we can take a look at what's inside. Okay, let's get into this first one, the small one right here. Good morning. You cut my hand. Okay, so this is the one where the lady said she had her uncle's inheritance. The band, obviously. It's cute. Like that. Band's cute. These are old cameras. Yeah, they are old. Look. Oh. Pretty neat. That's neat too. I'll have to see if all this stuff works. But anyway, yeah, so this is flash. Another one. Here's that long one I was talking about. Cap on it. The cap's off. Look at that. Ooh. That is super duper neat. Scope type of lens. Scope lens. It's pretty nice too. Huh. Well, that's like a wide. Right there's wide. It looks wide to me. Oh, and the camera's like, oh, that lens is sharp. That happens sometimes when you're shipping. Yeah, it's broken. Oh well, I could probably use that as an effect. Anyway, there's another one. You're supposed to wrap these up in like bubble wrap. So what I would think you'd want to do, which she didn't, or he didn't. Dang it! Wrap these up, people! You know, lens are worth a lot of money. Some of them are hundreds and hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands. You gotta wrap them up bubble tape if you're gonna be packaging them and sending them. So yeah, okay, I got everything. I don't even know what that is. I'm disappointed that one of my lenses broke, shattered. Look, you see it? Boo on the shipper! Let's go on to the next box, shall we? Oh. Vintage. Looky. Isn't that neat? Just kind of threw it all in there, didn't he? I'm ready to go. Let's get some apples and some pears. I'd say a 10 on this bag. It's really, really neat. I love it. Very pretty. Don't know. It's weird. I'm so afraid to open this. Oh, it has a lens in it. Well, see, this is how you want to ship lens. All the cases and everything on it. So I didn't say I was a professional yet. So, anyway, there's a lens, and it looks like it's shipped nice. It has a little box to it. Look, isn't that pretty? Squeeze right in there. Little snap. Nice, a little rag. From probably 1950 or something. Another little case. Another lens. Go. Here we go, guys. Mother load. It's a mother load. Look at all these. Cool. All these filters. Different things that you put on top of your. Neat! And some sort of liquid. What that is. Oh, a lens cleaner. That's what the cloth is for. Cool! Well, that's really neat. The case is awesome. I love it. I love it, love it. And there's this little custom, I don't know, another lens. Ooh, taken care of there. Very nice. Did really good bidding. So yeah, it looks like everything was good, except for that broken lens. So pretty neat. I'm really thrilled to use this in other things. Then I'm gonna have to pack. I need a special place, like maybe I'll put a shelf up. I'll put a shelf up, and then I'll put like a cloth underneath or a cloth on the wood, and then I'll display all the stuff, like the lens, and make sure there's caps on all of them, you know, and take care of everything. Because this is not how you ship somebody lens, guys. So, throw away! But the camera's still cool, and, you know, everything could be cleaned, I think. Yay for my backdrop. Really, it's supposed to be this way, and that. Looks like another side, doesn't it? Like a wooden garage door or something right there. But that is actually supposed to be on the floor. So it's supposed to be down, vertical, up and down. But I went ahead and put it this way. So, but I'm not complaining. I like it. I think it's cool. So, yay, it worked out. So I'm always going to be working on my studio all the time because you guys should be able to see some really cool things. And since you're going to be staring at the background or looking at me or looking at whatever, it should be something that's going to be something that's going to be attractive. And it looks like it's okay. Little lights up there and a little Hello Fall pumpkin, stuff like that. Besides dusting, I've been working on editing techniques and more software with cloning myself so I can talk to myself. Hi, how you doing? And then, hi girl. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if you like my hair. You like my my victory rolls? I got 2 of them. I had plenty of time since I've been on vacation, but I woke up this morning early, just like in the 40s and 50s. The women who spent all day at home, I actually had time to do my hair, so no complaints. All right, guys, take it easy, and you will see me here again real soon once I start editing and trying my clone thing out. It's gonna be super fun. All right, toodaloo. Lens. So another trucker. That sucked. Well, I mean,